Have you ever wondered how you can have your own exclusive lakefront access without the lakefront price tag? This is it. I'm Sarah Bradford with the Morrison Group Tahoe, and we are so excited to introduce this coveted property to you located in Donner Tract. If you're not familiar with Donner Tract, there's a good reason why. It's a well-kept secret. Properties in this area have the exclusive use to several piers, this gorgeous access to Donner Lake. There's hardly anyone here. You have kayak storage, you can store your ski boat, your jet skis, dogs are welcome. This is a slice of heaven that not many people know about at Donner Lake. We are thrilled to introduce to you 14156 Tanager Lane. This property has been lovingly cared for by the owners for almost 50 years, with 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a spacious living area, and a 1-car garage, which, if you know Donner Lake, is rare in itself. Wonderful outdoor space, plenty of parking for all of your friends and family. This truly is a gem that does not become an offering very often. So please call myself and our team, the Morrison Group Tahoe, for your chance to capture this property before it's gone and enjoy summer at Tahoe. Call, text or email today.